Agriculture is the most important activity for humans. With people moving into cities and urbanization on the rise, agriculture has taken a backseat. Land developers too are poaching on agricultural land. Due to advancement in technology and science, agriculture has improved and crop yields have gone higher. Poor countries and developing countries are predicted to be worst hit due to climatic changes, water shortage being the main culprit. Science published that South Africa will lose 30% of its main crop um, made by 2030. Rice millet will drop by 10%. Drought may occur more frequently due to global warming and become intense in Africa, South Europe, Americas, Australia, and Southeast Asia. Increased water demand, population growth, urban expansion, etc., will affect agriculture. Temperature change will affect growth cycles of crops, or increase in temperature may reduce harvesting time between sowing and harvesting. This will affect productivity. Increased carbon dioxide levels will increase the rate of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is now 380 ppm compared to oxygen, which is 210,000 ppm. Some plants may be starved of carbon dioxide as the enzyme that fixed carbon dioxide, rubesco, is also fixed to oxygen. Wheat will also become more affected by maize due to this. Also, more carbon dioxide reduces the stomata in leaves, which leads to reduced water usage. This is good as yield may increase by 36%. Devastating droughts, wildfires, scorching heat waves, floods are signs of climatic changes occurring due to changing environmental conditions. Our Earth's average temperature has risen by 1.4 degree Fahrenheit in the past century and is expected to rise another 2 to 11.5 degree Fahrenheit in the next 100 years. This global warming has caused severe rainfall resulting in floods in some areas, whereas frequent heat waves causing drought and famine in others. Glaciers and ice caps too are melting. Seas are becoming acidic, and hurricanes and wildfires too are more frequent now than before. All these changes will definitely take a fall in human health. Extreme temperature can cause malaria, viral fever, and deaths as well. The World Health Organization, also called as WHO, recently took a project to know the burden of diseases attributed to climatic changes, and it found that 26% of health problems are due to climatic changes. Industry is the main polluting agent of air, water, and soil. Respiratory diseases, blood pressure are a few diseases which have increased in the last 30 years. Fine dust from coal mines have damaged the lungs of the laborers. Seepage and toxic chemicals into water sources have caused skin, teeth, and other diseases. Severe exposure to these toxic chemicals can bring fatal results. Other factors like age, gender, genetics, pregnancy, and other health factors also determine the severity of a disease. A growing fetus may be affected more as its organs can be permanently damaged. Climate change is already affecting and increasing risks of heat, stress, respiratory stress because of poor air quality, spread of waterborne disease, etc., and extreme health events cause fatalities and impacts on mental health as well. We see re-emergence of epidemics of bird flu, swine flu, and dengue. Climate change has a profound impact in distribution of insects. Warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals are also being affected.